Hey everybody, how's it going? So, back down to salvage yard again, but with some luck, I actually had a 312 Y block for the 56 Mercury. And I was never gonna plan on working on it until I got an engine for it.
Found an engine.
Yeah, we found an engine, heads, possible crankshaft, which he's got a caliper, and we're gonna go down and look at it. I hold the camera straight. So this may change a lot of plans on what I'm working on.
Just work on 3 things at once.
Yeah.
Well, I'm working on 5.
Well, I'm still gonna be bouncing around on stuff, but focus is still the 58 Fairlane, the 58 Biscayne. I'll do the Road Runners a little at a time here and there, frames here and there. But along with scooting a nail over, along with the GT, just pretty much everything in general. But now it looks like I may be working on that 56 Mercury. So a lot of things have changed, because like I said, didn't expect to get a 312Y block, but since I said a long time ago if I got a 312Y block, I'd work on it. Well, I got automatic transmission for it, which is still in the back. So yeah, things are finally looking up this month, at least. So I gotta pick the block up next month. But now I'm gonna cut the video because I'm not gonna show where these are stored at, other than the interior of the storage unit. So we'll be right back. Alright, so Tucker knows how to check this stuff, because this right here is the shaft for the 312 supposedly. If not, there's many others that we got to go through and check. So what do you got here?
Oh, I got 2 to 6.
Okay. Ooh, that's a little.
That's a 312. That's a 312 crank.
All right, so that's 312 right there.
That one's different. That one. Why am I going on the backside for?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's might be 2 of them right there.
Oh, okay.
This is the one you want, though.
Yeah, this one's actually 20 over, whatever it is.
Yep.
Yeah, this one's been made for fun. Because it's also got the.
Yeah, she's a big boy.
Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully this brings it up. Turn the camera around here just to show. Alrighty. Now go over to the
original Ford part too. There's Ford stamp right there.
Yep. Alright, now I'm going to go over to the heads here. ECZ-G is how you identify 312Y blocks.
ECZ.
Yep, ECZ-G.
Yep.
And these two right here, they need to be rebuilt, but
that's like a tongue twister just saying it.
yeah, almost. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Isn't that amazing? Still stamp.
Yeah.
Of course, need new ones, but
we might be able to clean those up.
yeah, maybe.
We'll clean them up, see how pitted they are first.
Yeah, well, you know how to do that stuff because you're going to show me. But yeah, so right there's the heads. Can't find no intake yet.
Which is always safer to replace them, but
yeah.
Either way, anything with a Ford stamp on, I'd be saving it.
Yeah, I'm going to save it no matter what because they're originals.
Just like the old headlights, even if they're burnt out, they got the Ford stamp on them, save them.
Yep. And of course this one as well. ECZ-G. Yeah. Couldn't have looked out any better. Alright, so now, well, he says he doesn't know he has either 2 barrels or 4 barrels intakes.
Might take a while to look for one of those.
Yeah.
As much stuff as he has in storage.
Yeah, because
I want to remeasure that so Buck knows the difference.
Alrighty, and I'm going to turn this off and we'll head on over to the block. Alright, and he's checking. Won't fit.
Yeah, she's at 2 and 8, but you gotta realize too, once you get your
stuff in, it'll be a little bit.
Guts in there. That's the difference. The crank was, because you need your guides of those little, those little deals in there. Yeah, that crank should work on that.
All right. And right here on the left side of the block.
ECZ-G.
Yep, ECZ. And G and all the other numbers. Looks like they're gonna show up pretty good. Yep, left side of the block right there. Yeah, so don't know about valve covers. There's some on eBay, but they're a little expensive for Mercury.
Mercury's always pricey.
Yeah, that's fine. But I can get all the other stuff too, but yeah. So the hunt's over on finding a 312 Y block for a 56 Mercury. So how about that?
You don't have to hunt down transmission. You got one sitting in the back.
Nope, I got an automatic. It's gonna stay automatic. Now, I was looking at this car the other day. By the way, we don't have much time because after this, we're gonna hit our road. But I want to do other things down here. But anywho, I showed this car on the previous video, and this is that 4-speed Mustang. Some sort of a, I guess some sort of a special thing with the factory racing stripes and a bunch of other stuff. And well, he kind of wants me to save this car. I'm not too sure yet because I already got a Mustang Grande. But I mean, the car is still in good shape, but just trying to debate if not, because I got all these others to pick up, and just to pick it up and save it. But he's not selling it to nobody else, so I don't know. What do you think? Because I'd have to be way later next year, unless if he sells out, then I have to grab it. But
well, we'll have to have a lot.
yeah,
This is, it's a 4-speed.
Yeah, because it's a 4-speed.
Yeah, if it's a factory 4-speed, I would.
Yeah, really am thinking about it.
Yeah, you get Mustang parts pretty easy.
Yeah. Yeah, because this
that'd make it look pretty cool. Have a Grande next to a 4-speed.
Yeah, and this, I think he said, was a big block car, but he can't remember. I'm not going to open up the door because he can't anyways on that side because the latch is gone and doesn't want to open up, period. So I mean, it's rough because of this spot right here, but you can get stuff to replace this here. But
oh yeah, I've already stated in another video where you get it all.
Yeah, way earlier when we picked up your 67.
Yeah, that little 67.
Yeah, that cjponyparts.com.
Yep.
But yeah, again, this is supposedly a big block car, but but he doesn't know, we don't know. Doesn't really matter. It could be turned into a big block car no matter what. But yeah, I'm just kind of thinking about it. But he's not selling it to nobody else, so yeah. Got a lot of other stuff to do. Got a lot of other things to do, and so now the decision is probably going to be made to work on the 56 Mercury and put all the other stuff there and just work on stuff here and there. Because everybody loves that 56 Mercury.
There's one car down here I was looking at one day.
Yeah.
A convertible.
That Buick, wasn't it? Yeah, we can look at that real fast. Let's cut right to that Buick because he's thinking about this, but it'll be next year. But yeah, we'll go right to it right now. Well, here it is.
I just don't like the looks of it.
Yeah. It's not for public sale because he recommended this to us. Our relative did. I don't know what year Buick this is, but 2-door convertible. Yeah. Buick Invicta. Automatic. Yeah. I don't know how good it's going to show up. But yeah, it's been sitting out here for, gosh, years.
Yeah, quite a long time.
Many, many years. Yeah. But yeah, again, not to sell to the public. He suggested this. Of course, there's the canister for the convertible top.
Yeah, let's sale.
What? Where?
That's a Cadillac with sale, ain't it?
This one right here?
What's that? No, that's not. Yeah.
This one? La Sabre. Or LaSalle. LaSalle 400.
LaSalle, that's a Cadillac.
Yeah. No, Buick.
Buick LaSalle?
Yeah. I don't know how to tell them apart. I know nothing about Buicks and Cadillacs too much. So what now?
I thought LaSalles were Cadillac.
I don't know. I just know certain stuff about the cars that we get.
How much I know.
Yeah. Yeah, this is another Buick. This has been sitting here for years. Yeah. But yeah, this is the one that he wants Tucker to save. And it's not to sell for the public or anything. So, it's not like he's cranking it up to grab something. So, yeah, I mean, it's Buick. I like Buicks. Well, we love any kind of car, but
Yeah, I got that.
this be the first convertible.
I got that 52 Buick.
Oh, yeah.
And that Fireball 8 in it.
And your Fireball straight 8, 2, I can't remember now.
It's a mid motor, I don't remember.
Yeah, something like that.
Written down. I mean,
Oh, you still got your ignition key in it.
yeah.
Yeah.
She's not gutted out. Just,
No, everything's here. It's just
the rag top.
yeah, it's just bare.
God, that'd be easy to fix.
I know nothing about rag tops. I know nothing about these at all. Nothing about how convertibles work or nothing. Oh, we got a screw right here. Looks like that.
That's the same thing. Let's see how that is.
Oh yeah, it's almost the same kind of pattern, isn't it? Just about. Well, this one's. Well,
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure now. This one's older, obviously. Yeah. Oh, there's a Ranchero parts car right there for something. Yeah, we'll get this again. No, this one's way different.
Yeah, this is a Buick.
Yeah, they're both Buicks.
No, it's just I hear LaSalle and I'm automatically.
Oh yeah, I'll have to think Cadillac, yeah. I have no idea what years these are, so if anyone knows, just let us know down in the comments, because
No, I like that.
yeah, this one he wants us to save. This one's just whatever. But yeah.
Like this year better. I mean,
Well, yeah, I mean, Buck wants you to save that one right there. Yeah, so that's everything in a nutshell. Gonna look at a few more things and skedaddle. So, yeah, but yeah, guys, 312 white block. So, I know I've stated all this and that and everything, and I really hate changing stuff up, and I know all of you are getting a headache of us changing stuff up. But focusing on a lot of cars and then jumping around some things here and there. You know, I explained it in the previous video. So, but yeah, we're finally working on cars. But now I have to rethink a lot of stuff because I got an engine finally for that 56 Merc.
Well, you're going original by the sound of it, so I can keep it going.
Yeah, it's gonna be original. It's gonna be all original with some stuff updated, of course, vintage air. Because whoever I meet next, and hopefully they do stick, because you know, I'm gonna have something to keep the little ones cool and warm and all that, because it's gonna be upgraded to a certain extent. So just have to see where things go. So I guess anything else you want to add?
Not really.
It's just been a good, well, it's been a good day for me. I really
I'm trying
needed
not
this.
to look too much.
Yeah, because
I always seem to have to stop by this one here all the time.
yeah, and since he saw Tucker stopping by, he's like, it's not for sale to the public, but it's like, if you want it, we'll work something out, along with that one Mustang. So yeah, we better skedaddle on out. So y'all have a good night. Take care and stay safe. See you later.